we're taking a look at the Ryobi 15-inch string trimmer. The power head is attachment capable, which means it works with multiple attachments. And the straight shaft is an expanded trimmer attachment, allowing it to work with all Ryobi attachments capable power heads, making this really versatile than your, standard trimmer. And if you don't know what any of that means, we'll talk about it in just a second.
Welcome back to TMD Tested. Today we're going to take a look at Ryobi's 15-inch string trimmer. I have it here in front of me, and it comes in a couple of pieces. You have here your power head, your handle, and you'll have your shaft and your guard. And I've actually already attached the guard, as you see here, and I've attached the handle, and I'll let you determine how easy or hard, depending on your skill set of attaching these things, but I've already done that here. And basically, Ryobi's 15-inch string trimmer is attach capable. Now, basically what that means is it can wear a few different little hats. You can attach a blower, a hedge trimmer, a cultivator. There are probably about 10 in the lineup of the items. But what I'll do is post that so you guys can see the variety. And it helps to not have like this so many units in your garage or shed or whatever, as far as tools that you can use in the yard. And basically all you need is this power head to start, and you can have a string trimmer, you can have a blower, you can have a hedge trimmer, you can have a variety of things. And it's really easy to use and put together. All you do is take this shaft here, and we're gonna just drop it in here. And that's it. It's attached and you're ready to go. Definitely once you stick a battery in. Now with Ryobi stuff, you do know it 2 only or with a battery and a charger, so it just depends on what you're actually needing. I have here the 4 amp battery and a charger that would typically come in a unit like this. And basically you just drop it in the back here and you're ready to go. So once you do that, you get your trigger. Now you also have here your handle and your trigger here that'll give you, different settings and how hard you pull it and how fast you can lighten up on it, and that kind of gives you a little lighter touch depending on what you're trying to do. We'll go ahead and test it out since we already have it attached and let you see how it works.
Take a look at the area we're going to clean up around the stones. We'll just trim around it. Usually I do that before I mow or let my little robot lawnmower do his thing. We're going to also edge along the patio here. Let's check it out. Okay, so this is the area that we trimmed up. During testing, the trimmer handled the thick grass and weeds around the stones and edging along the patio without, any real struggles. Overall, the Ryobi 15-inch trimmer, is pretty solid. I mean, just definitely because of the expanded part of things. You can have one tool that handles multiple yard tasks, and you can definitely save on some storage. Okay, thanks for watching. If this review was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe, and check out our other videos under TMD Tested under the Market Den TV.